my YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to please like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Period. Let's just get into the video because I am really on a time schedule right now. I'm not saying I'm out to rush, but I'm gonna take my Anastasia pomade in the color dark brown. I usually use chocolate, but that joint really dried out. Like, you really have to have it in temperatures where it's not too cold and not too hot. Like, I don't know, like it got hard maybe from last winter or something like that. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm using my BH Cosmetics dual brush to apply this pomade to my eyebrows. I love this brush, like it literally is the best. Right-handed, so sometimes it's really hard to do my left brow. Like, this joint be off the freaking charts, yo, for real. And then especially because, like, I think this one is like, I don't know, it's just something wrong. You know how one eyebrow is like retarded? Like, this is the one for me, at least. I don't know, like what's it given, like. And I'm actually going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the Toffee. I said in the Toffee. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, in the color Toffee. The brush I'm using is a Morphe E10 pointed concealer brush. I got it the other day, but it's literally amazing. What y'all think? Like, seriously. After that freaking malfunction, I am back. I can't, but I really literally cannot believe I just did that. Oh my God. Okay, so now I like to take my Sasha buttercup. And I like to take my medium deep Mercier and mix the two, because like the Sasha buttercup is like too yellowy, and I'm not even in my freaking, you know, wintertime foundation. Right now I'm still in my summertime, so I'm a little darker than usual. So I like to dip some, like blow the extras off, and I like to mix it with a lot of Mercier. Like what you want to do to set your base, you want to make sure you press it in. Just going to press it in. Your eye base should really like kind of correspond with your, you know, your foundation and your regular face. Right now I'm going to go in with my milk primer. I literally love this stuff. Like, I don't use anything else. And I probably really should, but I could care less. I love it. And I'm going to use it to the death of me. Literally, if it kills me. I could work in that, especially right here, because this is like so freaking dry. Like my T-zone area or right near my nose. It's sickening. Okay, so I'm gonna actually try this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I heard it's supposed to be like amazing. So can you see it? It's really cute. I like the packaging. It almost looks like the NARS, really similar, but this has like a matte type of top, and this is gloss. Okay, so I have the color 480C. I went to Sephora the other day and I had to like, let me try this because, hey big, I heard you were giving. You know, like I said, I'm not really trying to do a whole, like a beat down look today. Like I'm trying to do something, you know, nice, natural, simple, nothing too crazy. And I like to blend down, like, so I like to blend down my neck. I hate when people just have like a mask, a face, and then like it don't even blend. Wait though, I like this. I'm gonna go back in with my Toffee. I just recently started doing this new thing where I take the concealer all the way up the bridge of my nose. I mean, not the bridge, but like the sides. Usually I don't put it on my forehead, only sometimes, but I'm literally in a time crunch right now. Right here, I'm setting my concealer with my Sasha Buttercup mixed with the medium deep Mercier, and I'm just packing it into the skin. I don't really like to bake. Take my Black Radiance True Complexion contour color. I use the Sculpt one because it's like the lightest. I don't really like to use that one. Do the same thing that I did over there for this side. His Place palette. I love, when I tell you love it, I always use this one right here when I want to do contour. I don't know, it's like literally it works on any shade too, like any complexion, anybody, like literally. Now, I don't really have any highlighters. I really be meaning to get some, but I don't. So I use the Soft Glam Anastasia palette. And I use the color, well, sometimes I use Fairy End. No, but today I'm going for the bronze look. And I'm gonna do the same for the other side. I might overdo it, but I love highlight. Like, I love highlight. It's like literally the best thing created. I don't know who made it, but baby, you did that. And I do mean that. I might have overdid it, but you know, I can't help it. And right now I'm gonna take my Morphe Continuous setting spray. Gonna go ahead and do my lips. Butter Gloss by NYX. It's in the, what is it, beige? Something, I don't know. So yeah, this is the finishing look. I'm about to go do my hair. So yeah, my hair looks crazy, so I'll be back. Hey guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram at rye.x.1. Oh, and make sure to follow my makeup page, period. Makeup by Rye. Well, underscore makeup by Rye. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of this video, guys. It's been a pleasure doing my quick little tutorial with you. And until I make another upload.